What's up guys, it's Kanye back here again for another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off Teams coming up when you start your computer. Let's get into it. Alright, here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. All you're going to do is come down to the Windows 11 search bar down here at the bottom, and you're going to type in Startup Apps. As you can see, Startup Apps right there. You're going to click on Startup Apps, open it up. You're going to scroll down to Microsoft Teams, and you're going to go from on to off. And now whenever you start your computer up, Teams will not automatically start up and pop up on your screen. Feel free to turn off whatever else you want to. I would, however, recommend not to turn off Microsoft OneDrive or any system-related application like HP status alerts. If it has like a HP or a Lenovo or a Dell under it, I probably would not turn that off. But if it's like a ExpressVPN or a Google or something like that, feel free to turn it off. It's not going to be the end of the world if you turn that off. But that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget, take it easy.